kitchen again with Chef Ricardo cooking show. It's amazing to be in the kitchen giving your favorite recipes. And it is coming up to Christmas, guys. So basically, when it comes to Christmas, I know for sure that millions of people all over this world want to do roast beef, roast turkey, you name it, roast chicken, stewed chicken, you name it, all the way down. Lovely and nice. The beautiful thing is that Chef Ricardo have a nice, lovely piece of a beef today, which I'm going to show you how to marinate it and even cook it, same time. Look at this nice, lovely, beautiful piece of a beef. The real steak part of the beef, the best part of the beef. You know when you go to the supermarket or you go to the shop, you look at the quality of stuff what you need. You know what I mean? Like when you go to the shop and you want to buy some lovely fresh vegetables and stuff. Look at this nice, lovely piece of a beef. And I'm going to show you how to marinate it and you can cook it. The beautiful thing what you need to do when you're going to do such a nice, lovely piece of beef like this is to marinate it and put it down for 2 days before you even cook it. That's it, soak properly. Alright, you want it to soak properly. First of all, I'm going to tell you something, guys. I have some Jamaican Valley season right over here. This is what I'm going to be used to marinate my meat. And I'm going to be using a little bit of the oxtail season on the beef, because that's going to bring in a lovely flavor also to it. Do you ready for business? Do you ready for business? This is how you're going to be starting today. I must say I have some season right over here. I have some white onion, I got some spring onion and some fresh thyme, garlic and ginger. All of these things is fresh and nice. Let's put all of those things right here, sir. And the most important thing what we're going to do before we go any further, make sure, guys, you're using gloves. Gloves is very important when you're going to do the red meat. So what we're going to do, what you're going to do when they come for you, we're going to marinate up the beef now. That's what we're going to do. Alright, first of all, I must say, I have some Jamaican Valley all-purpose season, and the Jamaican Valley also, this is some oxtail season what you're going to be using on it. So let's get these out and get them ready. This is some jerk season. We're going to put a little bit of the jerk season towards it. Nice one. So before we go any further, what we're going to do is this. Get 1 tablespoon of the all-purpose season, alright? And we're going to simple split it all over the beef, just like this. And just like this, alright? Make sure. And then what we're gonna do, we're gonna get a little bit of the jerk season and we're gonna put a little bit on top of it, just like this. And just like this. This kind of meat, you don't want to overcook it. You know, you want to cook it at a certain kind of temperature. Then we're gonna get some of the oxtail also, and we're gonna put some of the oxtail season on it. That's to bring in a lovely flavor. Alright, so that's what I'm doing at the moment. This is how we're going to be doing it. Let's put that one side. And I have some olive oil. We're going to pop on some olive oil on it like this. Alright. Olive oil over it. And just like this. Alright. Nice and lovely. So basically what's gonna happen now, when you're marinating your meat, it's nice to put some oil on it to make it you know, like if you're massaging something, you know what I mean, you need to rub in some oil on it and make it get massaged properly, you know. Nice and lovely. Alright, so far that is good. So what we're gonna do now, I have some white onion. And I'm gonna cut the white onion into round slices. Alright. Yeah, that's nice one. We got some fresh thyme. Just gonna put some fresh thyme on it like this. Nice and lovely. Ginger. Ginger flavor to it. This is a spring onion. So what you wanna do? You just wanna get the spring onion. You don't need to chop up a spring onion. Just ring it up and bring in a lovely flavor to it. Alright. This is some garlic. I have some fresh garlic. Some large clove of garlic right here. And then what we're gonna do? We're gonna fling this right on top of it like that. Nice and lovely. We got a few pimento seed. We're gonna put a few pimento seed on it like this. Oh yes, this looks so lovely and nice. Alright, so guys, exactly what you can see right here. This looking so so what we're going to do is simple. Rub on the garlic on the beef like this. Alright. Make everything look nice. Alright. So basically I have a medium-sized fried pan right here. And all I'm going to do is to get my meat and pop it straight inside of a fried pan like this. Nice one. So once you put the beef in the fried pan like this, you take a little time and turn it over to the other side. You know, you have to take one little time with this meat. You don't want to rush it. Nice and lovely. So once the beef, turn off the stove. Once you get that nice perfect color of the beef, like this, simple. Turn off the stove and place it back inside of this container right here. With a few seasons on top of it like this. Alright. Nice one. So, nice. So this is the beef. And all I do is put a little bit of water inside of the frying pan. And that's simple. Inside of the beef. Little bit of pepper. And also just a tiny little bit of chili. And we're going to just put a little bit of honey around it like this. So that's going to bring in a lovely flavor. Not only that, can also put a little bit more of the season just around it like this, just to sprinkle, because I know you're gonna be juicing and you know you want to have that flavor. Get your foil. Honestly guys, this is an amazing recipe. Once you foil it, you know, I might put some more foil. Once you file it guys, I put it in the oven at a high temperature. Roast it in the oven for roughly about 35, about an hour. And let's get my file ready. Nice. Base this, put this straight in the oven at a high temperature for roughly about 40 minutes. Alright guys, after 40 minutes, take it out. We're gonna get a check, we're gonna promote it, you know what I mean, take a good look at it to see where we are, because we don't wanna overcook it. Alright? This is a special Christmas roast beef and I know you guys will definitely love this one. Enjoy the recipe, and as I say, you can marinate it and put it down for 2 days before you even cook it. So let's go into business. Electric oven, you can use 180 the least, 180 to 175. If you're using gas mark, you know, you can use 7 or 8. As I say, 40 minutes is really good in the oven. So enjoy the recipe, guys, as we goes along. Just take my beef from the oven. No? Take off at the top. Look at that. That looks so lovely and nice. The only thing I don't want to do is to overcook the beef. Alright? So basically, when you're doing a beef like this, yeah? Man. Hold on the first. This is lovely and nice. Just put some liquid on top of it like this. Alright. My secret about this beef is two things. You could either just wrap it like this. Alright, and wrap it like this because I have it in my oven for roughly about an hour now. Alright? Or you can just put it back straight back in the oven and make it get some color. Or you can just lower it like this and slice it up. When I lower it like this for roughly about an hour and allow it, make it cool down, and the temperature will cool it down and cook it also. So basically, as you can see, that's the beef right here. And honestly, guys, if I even do a thing like this and put my knife down in it, you can see exactly it want to cook a little bit more. But I would say the beef is so nice. What I'm going to do, I'm going to just pop it back straight in my oven for another 30 more minutes on a medium size heat. Alright, so enjoy the recipe and please subscribe to the YouTube channel. Thank you so much. Nice and lovely, guys. So I just take it from the oven and it is looking so lovely and nice. All I have to do is just leave this to cool down for roughly about 2 hours, and then you can slice it up and serve it with your lovely meal at home. Enjoy the recipe and please subscribe, like and share. Tell a friend and a friend tell a friend. Thank you so much.